Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to unbox this Bluetooth headset from Jabra. It's called the Evolve Elite 2 Bluetooth headset. Here it is. All right. So this is a cordless headset by Jabra, and packaging wise, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. And let's see what's inside the box, guys. So as you can see, there's another box. Actually, we just removed the cover. And once you open the box, you will find a case for the headset. Alright, so it really is nice because it has its Jabra name in it. Alright, so it's a leather case, right? And unzip it, so we will find the Jabra headset, guys. So the Jabra headset includes the charger cable. It's a Type-C cable, and this is the headset. All right, as you can see, it still has a tape in it. All right, so again, this is Jabra Evolve2 Elite 2. So we're gonna remove the tapes. All right, so it has tape on its side, as well as, so this is the earbuds, or right, and it has letters to indicate where is the right and where's the left. Right, so what's good about this is it's actually compatible with the MS Teams application. So this is really good when it comes to meetings or team meetings. This mic here, as you can see, once you put it that way, that means the mic is unmute. And if you want to, or unmute, yeah, if you want to mute it, just simply put it up like that. So that's one of the features that I like about this Jabra headset. And also the noise cancelling is really nice, guys. So this Jabra headset costs about 222 euros. So I bought this from a vendor that's catering Jabra headsets. All right, so there's a rubber here, or it's rubberized, and then the plastic, this is a plastic. All right, and yep, you can adjust it, of course, in whatever size, or the one, or if you want to fit it in your head, right? All right, so just remove the tapes, of course, and that's it. This is the headset itself. Again, this is the Jabra Evolve Elite 2, and it has power button in it, in here. So to power it on, just simply turn this on, guys, and you will see the light. All right, and it's already paired at the moment because I already paired it in my laptop. And to pair it or unpair it, you can also use the button, this button. You just have to simply flip it to the right and hold it for 3 seconds until this light blinks, and you will see red and blue lights blinking. That means it is already pairing. All right, so again, the power button of the Jabra Evolve Elite 2 is over here. You just simply move it to the left to turn it off, move it to the right to turn it on. And if you want to set the Bluetooth or pair it, just simply click it to the right and hold it, because it's momentary switching to pair. All right, so again, this is the Jabra Evolve2 Elite 2 Bluetooth headset. Right, so it's really lightweight, guys, so really nice to be used, especially for meetings. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it, and if you have any questions, just give us a comment. All right, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.